come out. Of course, I've called him out in the past. I've criticized. Good evening, sir. I've called him out in the past. I've criticized him, and it's because of that same integrity that I'm not calling out those that are holding him. Okay. Of course, I've always told you people that okay to know the work. So, what point are they proving by continuously detaining Akwa Okuko? What point? We know that okay it doesn't work. If at all is for correction, at least when he comes out, one of the conditions will be he will be going to schools, maybe community service. If Akwa enter one school now, one primary school, you go see how many children will go gather am. Then he will tell them the importance of education. He will be teaching them the importance of hard work, how they need to be productive individuals for themselves first, for their parents, for their local environment, for their state and the country. You understand? So all these things about Bobluga, Ogbado, I greet you, my Oga. Well done, sir. The Max or Herilem, Dalos, I greet you, sir. Onishi. Monsa, salute. You understand? Let him do community service, at least with his mission, his new mission, and the messages he will be giving. All these incidents of money ritual and whatever would reduce drastically. But you are detaining him there now for what? Because he is a stumbling block against what and against who? See, you see, Anambra people. Wait, I will still tell you people the role they played in this my case, and they all failed. They failed woefully. Mama Luna, my sweetheart. I called before now. Luna pick call. You understand? You don't gather yourselves against one person. How old is Akwa? Akwa is not even up to 35 years, not even up to 33. And you people have gathered him now. Oh, do this one. What about the other one? This one says stop in Sunday. Thunder Bobo and the Kano got 1 million times. Eh? What about the other one? Normally, well done. The other ones we know. Eh? What about the other ones we know? Mohammed Aminu. Yeah, ne. So you either arrest all of them or you leave him. Okay? You either arrest all of them or you leave Akwa where you merun. Where you mediche. Agebuzi ebu. Ngwa tazeni ata. Tani ata tazeni Akwa ke ozuorun ka problem unu be. Tana Akwa ka company ne emepetire ebe enu mechie. I was hearing something else inside. Of course, I was happy when he was arrested. At least this youth will stop all these answers. People like us. Do you know why we toughened up and become who we are today? That place where people saw me took that photo at Ijele. What about that? That Ijele, do you know when I was there and what I was doing in Lagos? All those things built this man you are seeing today. But all this one, none of them wants to do anything. None of them wants to be productive for one single. Just, this is the internet age. People are literally making millions on the internet. Yeah. People are literally making millions on the internet, and you are sitting around looking for Okite. Okite no dey work. Go ask anybody. Okite no dey work. Onwe ebe ọ na-arụ ọrụ. Okay? Greatness, of course, we know who our friends are. We know who our friends are. Okay? We know who our friends are. Any other person na just Yamu Banza. All right? Anu mpama nandigi wunozu I got put on the Federal High Court there. You go see me now. When I go there, the talk say I hide. They me go hide. Unu ga ahu here. Unu ahu be here. We are not supposed to be begging Soludo to forgive Akwa. The guy has stayed long. Eh? The guy has stayed long. The guy has stayed long. And people will be there laughing because it's not you. Like I told you people before, Akwa will come out. I'm telling you. At least he has the money and connection. You now, the day of your own, who go come for you? My own, they shout, why would the Attorney General, okay, depend on us, Attorney General of Federation don't pull hand. Because on a no factor in that one, on a no factor in that one. Don't worry, the judge shall always live. Even if Akwa was guilty before now, with what you people have done to him, I guarantee you, he's no longer the guilty person. Genesis in Jakadalo. He is no longer the guilty person. Say there might be something else. Then tell us that thing he committed. We want to see, we want to hear it. We want to hear those things he committed. In fact, if he is part of these people that are buying human parts, we will come out here and call for him buying. Say may they buy him. Okay? That's how we roll. We know they support it. We know get permanent friend, they will not get permanent enemy. Now your character they decide. We block one or two. About who do na ebe ka ndị ebe na ebe. Bịa who do na ebe ka ebe stus, ụmụ ebe stus. Ụmụ ebe stus na ebe ka abụzụ. Onye tọdoro na aka na kwefuru ebe anji udu n'oru praise Jagaban ndị eji nwanne ke nke na ebe. My brother will come see me for Ikoyi how many times? Thanks for the tea. Now, Haba. Okay, now just so now. Shebi, you know they put the one where they make brick stand. No. Because that one where they do for area 11. Shebi, you know the place now. Yes. And all those women who go stand there, married women will go. You people say. Yeah.
Like sleeping, right?
Yes, now. I mean, a coffee, if you want to give. If I drink coffee now, I'm not going to sleep this night. Okay? My people. Leonin do Bakere Mune Megan. Ari Agi Meli Ikagula Agula Hangano. Ohani Kana Abana Murokbo. Oh, one duba. This one say you don't start again. I've been stopped before. You don't have to be here. Unem daru, unem ndeke. Oh, we shall can. Thank you, my pa. Linda Long John, Ndeke me. Samida, all my favorite people. All my favorite people. Now my sweetheart Camis or Sakwa I never see. We go to stand tall and we will keep telling them the truth. Leave Akwa Okuko alone. leave Akwa. Okay? Leave Akwa. He said no, then they get evidence, then they ever get evidence. No be like this my own now. The one where they say that they roll for dust. Then go leave am. Person wey saying they cure people wey no well. You know they cure anything. Then leave am. Now Akwa then see. Where then go catch. You say why your mouth is shaking? Now your mouth they shake. Make your mouth shake. Oh, it's yeah, nah. It's yeah. Solomon Adekunle, inbox me your own number now. You know, say I go miss those texts later. Mercy, Ebi, how are you? You understand, my people? We need to tell these people the truth. Like, for how long are we going to sit back and work? You say mention them now. Which name? Ebuka Obi where they mounted. You no get power now. Ebuka Obi no get power. And no be Matthias where they talk one baby virgin. You no get power past President Tinubu where then they call his name. Ebuka Obi na nobody. So make them investigate him too. Okay? Make them investigate them too. Now go they put them for trouble. The one where you enter never come out. They never go. They no one conquer to. All the people arranging teenagers and them TT baby. Osima Ponafa, Ebafe Megan, Omemem, or Natago Nko Garaga. Yes. If I come and say, intif this thing, and they say you notify, tell them people they hear they watch. Putan, all those politicians where they use, and now I want to see all of them. Now I want to see all. They say no limit. They look for them. They know people they look for them. Now they wait. I want to see all of them. They will come out. That you tell them make you roll for dust. How that one change the economy of Nigeria? We go soon know. Yeah, make you go fix the local government first. All these criminals where they do. I dey come area one now. Come buy my suya. They will come area one. Make I finish. You get person with me and I get appointment this evening. So after 10 I will come. Of course, they should leave Akwa. Leave Akwa. Okay? Leave him. What did he do? Ogburu mmadụ. Ọ bụ na ogburu mmadụ na-agwa anyị na onye ogburu na ebe osime nke a na ihe ya na nke mere na nke na-eme ha. Fine. Ọ bụghị ibere nwa mmadụ kpọchie there. What is he doing there? Ka ọ nọ there o solve insecurity dị na Anambra State. Ụmụ iberibe. From Zayombi. N'ebe. Go court. No, they leave on a comment. All this you follow for evidence against ona nonsense oga. Oga we no get single power. OG power jewe police. Yeah. OG power jewe police. Ụmụ ewu. Na police be their power. I go dey look fresh na ofuji nwanne na ofuma. Ofuji dey ebube. He said they should leave Ogechi to leave and say wetin happen. Yeah? Leave and say wetin happen. Why they go leave her? Unto wetin they wan leave her. Leave and say all the nude wey she share. She no share them. Fresh Kilishi go area 1. Area 1 na be the depot. Oba people, how many people from Oba have gathered themselves to go and talk about Akwa? Do protest. I didn't say block road. Now, on a place be artery point for so many people where they travel. On a go put big signposts there, big banners, line them up, make them they see say they still hold on a son. No be when he go come out like this now, he go buy drink, everybody go come, go they cook, they chop. He don't set for work for him. Perpetual, you know, I don't get well and well now. Okay. My star, my dear, they don't come out this star, go open new page. I go open new page. When I open new page, more now they bring the star. If the money increase, change Jeremiah and Western Union. Do them for me for Western Union, I will collect them. You know, say me, I need them now. Kume best to sunebe, umu abuzu, nebe, che. Ndị ọba ọ bụ ọsọ akwagbu efi unu abịa taa etu unu nọ n'unu apụta obi kuba na ekwesịrị ị na-ejekwa n'okwu akwa nwanne gị nwoke anọ nwanne gị nwoke dị ya ị na-eji okwu nke Nnamdi Kanu gbugoro ndị mmadụ gbago ha gbuo ndị mmadụ unu na-ekwu ka usoro hapụ ha unu etinyebere n'ọnụ ka asị mana na nwanne gị nwoke akwa nọ dị essence onye na-ekwu ya ọ bụghọ na-emahọ mmadụ ọ bụghọ na-emahọ mmadụ akwapụta na ndị mmadụ apụtawa Chioma good you didn't know. He say come to Anambra, how much you want bet you go still see me there una start one again or I don't still start again umu osu I know make them delete the live program more na download them more na see download them. Akwa my brother wherever you are you wherever you are just know that there are people that actually care about you no be all these ones where they patrol with every time okay no be all these ones where you somebody say make I put my account number inbox me make I give you the UBA account where they go they do you they go they do it don't set now onye obuna agbago ọsọ the Oba people no need to go Oka. Okay? Oba people no need to go. That's Oba Junction. More on a line on a posters, banners around there. Make people they talk about them every day. If they hit the people who on a brother. Okay? Chike Ogugo, Chike inbox me. And I send their account. My through account to Niku. Inbox me if you serious. Ndoba. Una amoho kunu geshime biano na Abuja eba moa ge solid the protest. We go to the Ministry of Justice. You know far na back here. I know far from Ministry of Justice. More na come, we go gather them. They say account details. I carry that account for head, so wait, it be like I get the number here. Okay. Come now, me personally. Me personally, I go lead am. I go lead am. Okay. Wait, make I put the UBA. I write them out. You know, see me how they carry bank certified. Wait. Oga go still appreciate people. That one never reach. We never even start. Can you know na rush here? Can you know na rush this boy? Come no down. How many days? Yeah, 1 year and 3 months when I no see me. God they go do no say so. Bingo are here getting excited. Bingo are here getting excited. Man, I see the account here. For those asking. You say Ijele, no stress yourself. Am I stressing myself? So like some people will be telling me, Ijele, you need to rest. That place where they since I dey dig ground. And they may go and even no since. Now some rest. The rest they choose. The rest they choose. Yeah. Onye ka ị na-arrest eche. All the people wey say them be Akwa friend, where are they n'ebe ka ha nọ? Ndị ọba zọọ ọnụ nwanne unu nwoke. Aka ji ọba akwa jikwe ndị ọba o. Iya. Ụmụ okoko jee n'unu kpọọ ọnụ wee una corrupt police Ebuka Obi police prosecutor they don sack am na only Obi Orejo for the men now and he no wan come out, he no wan show himself because he go easily open the politicians wey dey dem back. So make una no fear anybody o. Okay. Esther, Essie baby, how are you, my sweetheart? Make I block one who's. You say what of one is that na si jide shi onye nke ahụ ike. Si jide ọ bụrụ weekend ka mgba ya. Ọ bụrụ ba anọkwasị apụkwa ya nwanne. Eme nwe ogbu. Ebe je wa dosi ike me kwere that nne di ya nọ n'ụlọ, especially that nne di ya nọ n'ụlọ. Ekwesịrị imenyere ha. Okay? Ekwesịrị imenyere ha. You don't do no with condition. You will tell people there is nothing like Okite, Ibubo. Onyeze, you will tell people na enweghị okwu otu ịsago nke ibu. Ọ kịta ka video ụda afụbekwu ihe ejegodo nke gịnị fọrọ. We don't go anymore. Wetin remain? You don't go anymore. Wetin remain? Na Yoko City they want make we go. My bed dey there. Gini for Siri. My people. I see this face. You see this face. You see this face. Una go see am, una go tire. Una dey wait make this face disappear. Una go wait, una go stay for there. Una go too stay for there. Una fube dey here. Nah, Ojisi Obi dey obienu. I greet you people. Who wan climb Ogechi? Ya dey shikage do ebado to ga dey. Hey, my people, please, jokes aside, they really need to know what they will do about this Akwa Okuko thing, okay? We really need to know how if we are going to send person, we will send, okay? If we have to send people, we will send them. They Philip, they like him again. We have to send people because, you know, like when I was inside, people were saying so many things, all manner of things which are totally detached from reality. So I would rather hear from Akwa direct. If anybody knows any welfare officer I can contact to speak with Akwa, I will be very happy. Okay? I'll be very happy if I will get any welfare officer that will give me his number. If you know any welfare officer, I will call on his behalf. Let me get the full picture of what I'm looking at first. Then that way we will know where to begin. No one can do anything because you are the apple of God. Thank you, name. Ogechi accuse you of you. I go leave waiting and they do no go she where her own don't finish. This one where she go they delete her post about bingo easy. Tell am say me I go use Wayback Machine. You get what they call Wayback Machine. Archive.org. Bring all the videos where she delete. Me I never get her time. You understand? I never get her time. Now her time I never get. Make our sister Mariam Shehu they deal with her first. Make Mariam Justice they deal with them first. And I'm not content in those more goshi. Who be goshi? No, you go after those that are paying here, those that are using her. Have you people forgotten the Igbo Tele brothers? In the Igbo Tele. Nemu Gigi Afo Unyeze Atagonu by now. Unyeze Jesus. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Kenneth Nwachukwu Kenny. Longest time, my brother. How is America? Cake America. Does it more Nemo Gafima? Jenu go no data. Buy data. Buy data. Na me dey tell ona. Banu bogote ndi kenu no aja dey nene mpa. Madu wari eba na eyemi. Jenu gote no data. You nwekwe data. Na the thing be sweet sef. Wetin I don dey prepare finish. They chop well, they do everything. You know, as man fresh. My Telegram channel they work. I go activate them this week. I beg, I get personal things why they deal with first. You know, then we'll start our videos completely. We will start our normal videos. I be the things they go stop. Now we go expand them. But Ijele, you need vacation. One only now they need the vacation. No. I don't need any vacation. I don't need any vacation. Honorable Prince Obunia non America. Obunia woka atani dinka. Check a mago don't found. I don't sure no Obunia atani. Reach out show to assist on the Akwa case. I will see my brother very soon. Then I will discuss the Akwa issue with him. Imagine, isn't it a shame? Isn't it a shame that it is somebody from Ondo State that we are now relying to save somebody from Anambra State, from the hands of Anambra again? Fear. Isn't it a shame? You have your own people. Maria Udenwachi Shebi, she get page. When I go still hear my story, I tell her, I calm down. But this Esther, when I see, I go follow him for Twitter, Esther Space. Follow him, I go give her the full story there. No. This is a part of the pepper. Okay? Make I send you my WhatsApp number. Ask Chimeze. Chimeze will send me my WhatsApp number. I'm healthy. Only some makeup all of what you done. If I came they like we don't get you. We like this will go show cake in Jaka. They like we no go sugar. Like I was saying, in a shame, say we they rely on people. Shame like Yoruba people na they short. Southwest people na they short too. Now then one come help on na. Ijele, alele. Chai. Shame. Everybody dey Anambra will get people who say they dey for labor union. We get people who they say they dey for Amnesty International. We get people who say I will go and thank Amnesty International. Personally, I never expected them to weigh in on my case. I'm going to go thank them personally. My brother, no, I'm very careful about what I take. Stone Cold Abo go inbox me now. Chimeze will no, I get subscription. May nobody do try, so I get my subscription. Okay. Imagine the type of effort they are putting in trying to free Nnamdi Kanu. Edith Alufuez and Nemelo to me, take home as the pan. Take home as the pan. Now the person where me and am wan go somewhere. Now person where me and I wan go somewhere, just the call me, I go end the call. But like I was saying, man, a lot WhatsApp page number. Okay, I will bring new WhatsApp group. I will try to reactivate the other one. If I don't, then I'll get me a new WhatsApp group. That's how I want to do it, my people. Okay. So I salute you. I want to assure you all that everything is still in motion. We are marching. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon, and marathon you don't sprint. You don't start by sprinting, you gas out. Alright? It's marathon, you jog gradually, maintain a certain pace. Conserve your energy. Are just creating hate amongst us. We are all human. Tribe is more important than the other. Then go here. Who knows? Then go here. Ndara. Then go here. Okay? So my wonderful people, I love you all. Please remember to hit the like button and share the video. I will soon launch a brand new page. When I do, if I didn't announce it, maybe we will announce it, but definitely you are going to bring it here, all right? We will make sure we keep spreading the truth. And remember, Akwa, whomever you are, you don't need to be a traditionalist. Akwa is not even a traditionalist. Akwa is a Christian. Okay? Akwa is a Christian. He's just using that one to catch up. That's all to it. That's all to it and nothing more. So my wonderful people, I love you all. I hope to see you maybe in the morning. However it is, we'll be updating everyone. Thank you everyone and enjoy yourselves. Have fun. Rock and roll.